All right, guys. So, let us today do one most interesting thing. Okay. So, what I am going to do, right? I don't know will it work or not, but let's trust the process. And now I am going to ask ChatGPT that I need to teach how ChatGPT can be helpful in advanced data management with Power BI, Tableau, or Excel and stuff like that. And I want him to tell me that how I can teach these complete things to students. Okay. So let's do this, right? So let's do this. Hey Chat GPT, I want to take a session on how Chat GPT can be helpful in uh, advanced data management, maybe using Power BI, Tableau की spelling. What's the spelling of Tableau? Power BI or Excel, advanced Excel. That to PLET complete practical session. So for the same, I want you to get me 10 minutes script on how can use ChatGPT for complex advanced data management in Excel. But make sure, but please remember, but please keep in mind that I am gonna use Google Sheets for the same purpose. So make sure whatever you are telling works 100% with Google Sheets. Also, I want you to write a script which is 100% practical and tells step by step process. Let's see what happens. Till then, let me open Google Sheets. Okay, so I'll open my personal Google Sheets. Okay, for the same purpose. Just a second. Sheets. Okay, not this. Yeah. Okay. Perfect, right? So here is my sheet. Perfect. And yeah, so now it has given me a complete structured by structured thing. Okay, that is good. That is crazy. That is perfect. So now it's saying that, okay, hello everyone. Today we are diving deep into ChatGPT can help advanced data management using Google Sheets. While tools like Power BI and Excel are commonly used for data analysis, Google Sheet offer a lot of powerful functionality, especially even paired with ChatGPT. So what it is telling me, it is telling me to greet the audience first with by saying that okay, Google Sheets are also powerful and will become more powerful if we pair it with ChatGPT. So in this session, we will focus on practical applications and hands-on that you can start using immediately. Okay. So the step one, it is saying me that okay, generating the complex formulas, right? So okay, perfect. So the first thing the Chat GPT can do is basically it can helps you in generating the complex formulas. Okay. So it is saying that ask Chat GPT to generate a formula that sum of okay. So now what I will say, now since I don't have any data set, okay, now I don't have any data set. So let me ask that, okay, for step one, give me data for step one. Let's see, right? So yes, here is a simple data for my step one. Okay, perfect. So now what I will do, see, I'll simply copy this I'll simply copy this and I will open my sheet. I'll paste it over here. So yes, now my it is done. Now my data is there. Data is perfectly there. So what I will do? So yeah. and I will simply write the prompt from here only. I'm not doing anything myself, right? I'm just writing the prompt. Generate a formula. Okay, right. So it is, I'll say that, okay, generate a formula. Perfect. Let's see. Here is the formula. Okay, so I'll simply copy this formula. I'll simply copy this formula, and where I need to paste it. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe over here, or let's say over here, I'm pasting that formula. Yeah, it's done. Haha. It's that simple, right? If I paste it over here, yeah, it's done. So if I now see, so the formula is perfectly working. It is perfectly fine. So if you want to calculate, you can calculate it yourself, and I trust ChatGPT that it must be fine. Okay. So this is how you can simply generate the things with ChatGPT, right? Suppose now next thing, automated automating repetitive tasks with macros. Okay. Okay, so Google Task has a feature called macros, but writing script can be challenging. Okay, ChatGPT can write Google App script for you to automate repeated tasks like data cleaning and report generation. Okay, so now you can always use some automation in Google Sheets, right? So this is my I'll just copy this, and what it will do basically. So there is a macros over here. If I show you, where is the macros hota to hai. Where is it? Macros. Here is macros, right? And now I will record a new macro. Okay, okay, app script. Yeah. So here I can add a script. Okay. So yes, I have added a script over here, right? And I will simply new deployment. Yes, perfect. Come on. Web apps. Okay. Test, or maybe remove duplicates and all, right? So yeah, I can. So basically, I'm deploying a new macro for all my web apps. Okay. So authorize access. Yes. Advanced. Go to this. Allow. And yes, so basically, I'm deploying a new macro. Okay. Perfect. So this is my script, right? Now my script is done, right? Script is done. My this thing is done, right? And if I see over here in the macros, do I have anything? Yeah, now I have a macro. So yes, we have this function. Okay, so we have add a function, right? So yes, now my function is added successfully in the macros. Okay, so now hopefully it will do what it will do. It will just remove the duplicates. That's it, right? It will just remove the duplicates from my, like, if there is any kind of duplicate, so it will automatically remove those duplicates, right? So if I trust the process, then it will do something like this. So copy the script in the Google App script. Okay, and now it's time for to run the script, and it will remove the duplicates automatically, right? That is the advanced, that is the kind of data management that you can do with ChatGPT. And suppose if you want to write some more, some more things, right? So write as, okay. So now let's try this. Let's try this. Is it removing the duplicates? So let me do one thing. Let me copy it, and I will paste it over here. I will paste it over here. I will paste it over here, right? And let us see. I'm not sure how to remove the duplicates. Will it do it? Okay. So remove duplicate is shift control alt shift plus say R. Okay. Okay. So maybe 3. Okay, so control alt shift 3. I'll update it. So control alt shift 3, running script. Yeah, see, it has done. It has done. It has removed all my duplicates, right? So see, if I duplicate it completely, copy it, paste it, and I will paste it over here as well. I will paste it over here as well, right? So these are my duplicates. And now what I have to do, I simply have to run my script. So alt shift control 3. It is running the script, and go. That is that is the power of chat gpt. And trust me guys, I just have followed the process. I was not aware of this thing, that yes, it will definitely happen, right? But yes, if you trust the process, if you trust chat gpt, everything is possible. And this is how you can always manage your data. This is how you can integrate chat GPT with your Excel and all, and you can do anything. Literally, you can do anything. Okay, to manage the to build your graphs, to build your something, and you can do anything with the help of chat GPT. Okay, so yes, that was it for this video, right? And we'll meet you again in the new video. But yes, make sure you practice these things thoroughly. Okay, that is the more important. Practice is the key to success. Okay, so yes, I guess that's it for this video. We'll meet you again in the new video. Till then, stay tuned, stay happy. Bye bye.